I never doubt you. I never sit down with Fred them. We never. I will not like I ever chat any girl. We can come by us and say. We chat. Yeah? My sister Suki, I'm going to be honest. Right? When she started seeing a lot of stuff, she said, Tanya, I don't trust these girls, especially when they put Uku on the live. That was the only time I started doubt, you know, with the Uku thing.
Tanya, can I talk because you got to Suki?
No, we don't listen to me. I say something, I'm going to make you talk, Diary.
I said it back to nobody. Even to this point when argument has started, a screenshot now and put it out. Me and Suki that have no issue. Suki and Candy have something because she didn't want Candy to block somebody and Candy said no, she not block the person. And she continued to disrespect my friend on the live. And
no, she never continued to disrespect her. She never continued to disrespect her. Diary, I'm not going to lie. Big up yourself, my wife. Listen, right? Suki said, because me and Candy talk in the inbox.
Yes,
right? Suki said to Candy what I said, and I'm going to be honest, right? Suki upset mostly because Candy talked in Kelly. You don't know about that. Uku was cussing me. Suki came on and need the live and said, Tanya, stop arguing with them idiot people there. Uku start cuss Suki. Candy put up the video and said, Uku bringing down Suki and Tanya. Suki is a big respectable woman. For Candy, listen up, did I say you are a dirty girl? I never said you are dirty. I am saying when Candy put up the video and tag Suki, that gets Suki cross, angry, miserable because Uku cannot walk into Suki truth. Everybody knows say, tag me a dead dad, me a drunk, me don't give a fuck. Suki's on the internet because of me. Suki start typing up, I've been not saying because of people disrespecting me, disrespecting my kids, disrespecting my family. So when Candy is gonna look down on Suki as a big woman and tag her with Uku, that was really upsetting. She went in the inbox, she said, Candy, take down my name, blah, blah, blah. After Candy take down her name, this fake page just, remember, I never see no page disrespect Suki or write up anything about Suki. This fake page just come from nowhere. Suki a fuck Dr. Love, Suki a Wobia Walker. I'm not gonna lie, it's Candy page. Nobody can tell Candy for do, but stick a pin. Why Candy and you upset because you comment underneath Suki picture? It cannot be one way.
Can't even get a word in your narrative.
All right, talk now. You can't talk now. Talk.
First and foremost, Candy don't need to make fake page. Everybody know Candy talker.
I never said Candy made the fake page.
All right, let's have it to you, Candy. I never know that the part there with no Suki.
Okay, that's why we are telling you. We don't need to know these things.
You want me to talk my part with
the yeah, that's right. Yes, I talk. Big up yourself, Christmas.
Candy, Suki going on that I don't have no part with it. As Suki start black a car back, I say it is what it is. I mean,
exactly.
And everything. Anyways, now one picture sent to me with Suki literally. I said, oh, Candy stink or whatever, which I will send that to you, and then Candy come defend herself about that. Drew him upon the private live. Them I bring down Suki. I say, oh, Suki favor Phoebe, blood clot Phoebe, and one bag of.
We want to see that. We want to see the proof.
I don't care about the proof.
No, yeah, proof we are dealing with. We not dealing with proof.
Okay, me not walk and screenshot people and them something. Me just know what me know. So, anyways, now as it relates to that. We say you and Candy a friend at the day, you say Suki black this and that, and you know in a Suki and them something, but at the same time over there I say wanna write a caption basically a shared Candy. I him there a big up.
After big up yourself, boy Rally, you have to turn on the Uber, you see me live. Look at the Uber now. I can't hear nothing. Why would you do it? Let make it stay. When you're done, you are over it. Big up yourself, Sting. Everybody was, I can't talk why I put that caption. And this is why I said, we don't get up and make problem. But never make you talk. And then when you don't talk.
We saw dream team, so them can go and put their faith in a Jew. Because me know what me know. Everybody where they depend them their life, they know what they do. The only thing anybody depend them their life, they can start fret them over them. Me say, me I take with myself because I always like fret them from that love deal. I'm a say me I take because I understand all the two side of the group. I'm a take when me say anybody will want me tell you that to your fear.
But me not understand. Do I just get up from no? I start bring down Suki, bring down we, bring down this. And we not trouble Jew. We not like what I mean, yo.
Me not need for like. Me not need for like.
I'm gonna pack up my children them uniform now.
Oh no, we don't jump on live and do a audition. God,
but we don't know what go on. You cannot blame somebody. We honestly don't know what was going on. On a private page, we are not on. We can make this clear. We and Drew do not gossip about Candy, Diary, Chris, none of Jenna, none of the other thing me talk to you about. Yeah, is MON. You know how money spend. Money. Me not chat people. Worse if me like you. Me will never bring up somebody name. When me like you, I do not view you as a dirty person, as a no, I don't do it. So when it come out a picture, you are take good information off on the private page and give me, that's not true. That's not true. We never know what was going on. You come out.
I can't talk.
No, but I am explaining something to you, Darissa. When you came out that day and was cussing,
why you put sense in nonsense?
No, that's what I am saying to you. No, but you are saying that when we come out yesterday and attack and I disrespect you, why me never come to you? But me ask you, did you come to us other day when you was cussing? No, you never. So it can't be one side, Diary. Cannot be one side.
Your best friend, I see Krista talk there.
What Krista? Tanya, trust me. No one said you or anyone was shutting anyone. Please. No, I never said that, Chris. I never said Unu say we are chat. I am saying we type up and ask you what's going on. We were clueless, Diary. You turn, we have it, and we go have it, and we can sell it. You said, what you mean by where you're clueless? We not clueless, we don't know where we are going. Diary, we never know what was going on.
Tanya, I said on the live, let's all go on a page and talk about it.
No, you were saying it after, but when Pretty Girl was asking you what goes on, you were saying, yeah, we know what was going on. And I am telling you.
Because that is the narrative that was pushed.
Okay. Well, you see what me I tell you? We don't know.
Time up. You understand? When we didn't go to Souls dance, him offer Carlin a drink. And when him offer Carlin the drink, Carlin said already I drink champagne already. Because my friend them have 10 bottles of champagne. You a drink white rum. You understand? And we not drink white rum. A champagne our thing stop. You understand? So Carlin said, no, you can't buy me no liquor because no already I drink and a champagne, this thing stop. You understand? They question you. When we go out, they question you. And that is why I don't hear too much. We pussy I got
Carlin the slip. And then I see when Carlin drop the bag, and me pick up the bag and give back Carlin, and then me I look, me never know what Carlin do, the rest are fucking weird.
You understand? I'm telling nowadays, you see in America here,
okay.